like trying to get their attention intentionally. Like, so there was a certain situation that happened about 5 minutes ago that interrupted everybody's pattern of thought. Okay, the joke that I said, right? And then all of a sudden, and that's it. I mean, so it depends on the age of the kids. I go into my classrooms when I teach, and I'll change my voice and my accent, and I'm good at about to get in my belly. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be good accents or voices. I do animal noises. I don't care. I do corporate training. I do corporate training with people. If they're not paying attention, I'll go, wow! All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to keep on talking about your product, and they look at each other like, just do an animal noise. It doesn't matter. It's right out the window. If all of a sudden you heard an explosion outside, you wouldn't be able to focus on me. And the weird part is some people will be like running towards it going, ooh, what's there?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.